Scene script. Ever wonder why some interactions with AI are smooth while others falter? It all boils down to how you communicate. Welcome to the quick guide on crafting effective ChatGPT prompts. First, what is a ChatGPT prompt? It's simply your input message that guides the AI's response. Clear and concise prompts yield the best results. Here's an example. Notice the difference? Specificity guides the AI to better understand and fulfill your request. Now, tips for effective prompts. 1. General requests lead to vague responses. The more detailed your prompt, the more tailored the AI's reply. 2. If your conversation builds on previous information, include relevant details. 3. Understand the AI's capabilities. Asking for too much or too little can skew the results. And finally, real-life examples work wonders. A user once improved their chatbot's customer service by refining prompts, resulting in clearer and more helpful responses. Remember, effective prompts are your pathway to efficient and meaningful interactions with AI. Start crafting yours today.